Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to listen to a reading on the Headway application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should select a reading from the Discover section or from your library. Tap on it and click on the Listen button. If you are done listening to it, tap on the play button.
Chapter 1.
And here you will be able to listen to it. If you want to set the speed, just tap on the speed button in the middle and you will be able to
6 hats method will allow your brain
listen to it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.